Welcome again to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how affiliate marketing is changing the world. As you all know that affiliate marketing is where you get a link, influence a person to join your link, and then you get paid when they make a purchase. But something different is changing, and this one will earn you a lot and lots of money. So without further ado, let me show you what is up today. We all know this store, this Amazon. Amazon is changing the world of affiliate marketing. And as you all know that affiliate marketing is where you get a product, kind of like drop shipping or confusing a person just to purchase so that you can get the small commission. So like you say that you get an affiliate link of this camera which goes for $20 and you get a small commission on that. But Amazon is getting more crazier and crazier. So the program that Amazon has launched is called um, Amazon Influencer Program. You can see this an Amazon Influencer Program. The Amazon Influencer Program, it's not such weird as you think. It does not need you to get 1,000 following on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. No, this one is kind of very easy, and I'm going to explain this influencer program up to the end that you can understand. It's very easy to understand. So the best thing that you can do is just to sign up for this program. The only requirement is that you have to have this social media, the YouTube, any Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And mostly TikTok does better in terms of approval. So you need to get approved and then you to join this program. But what am I telling you about this program? Have you ever seen these videos where you see a product? Once you see a product here, you run straight to the reviews, the review videos. You can see this product has this review video over here. You can take another product like this one. This is a camera, and this is a smart control for garage, and you can see it has a lot of videos where they down here which you can control them using uh, the phone. Do you know that these people are getting paid? If a person watches this video and makes a purchase under this video, this person here gets a commission. Very easy and very simple. Same to this person here. When a person watches a video and makes an order under this video, gets a commission. Same to this person here for the laptop. When a person makes a purchase under this video, this person here gets commission. So that is what is happening in the Amazon influencer program. You don't need a big following, you just need to these accounts, either of them. Mostly it's preferred TikTok. When they see that your consistency, you have a well set profile, posting consistently, it doesn't matter the following, but as long as your videos get engagements, you'll get approved, and it will be very simple. You look at your house, because I know a lot of products in our houses nowadays are also found in Amazon, or anything that you purchased in Amazon, you make a review of it. Once you make a review of that product, you go and upload your video. It will get selected, and then you tag the product that you are making that video for, and then you'll be earning an income under your video. So it's very simple, very easy, unlike the other affiliate program where you needed to get the link, get people to purchase that product under a link, and then you get a commission. So this kind of very simple and very easy, where you create a video and then you just post it. You wait for people to watch your video. Under your video you get approved, you get a commission when people watches the video and purchase the product. So for those that are very interested in getting into this program, it's very easy, simple. So like one can purchase this, or you can find a similar product that you have at your home, and then you do the purchase. Okay, you make a review of that, and it will be very easy, very simple, and you start earning commission. So this is the mind-blowing influence program that is introduced by Amazon, which you can also get into it as soon as possible before it blows up. People get saturated about this. So very simple and very easy. And as you can see, not many people are making these videos. It's kind of very few. In any product that you choose, you can order, make a review of that, and then you get paid when people watch the video and make a purchase under your video.